Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 9th lesson and our lesson topic is Facebook feed fun, making short and engaging videos. So in this class you will be learning how to create videos for Facebook with the help of CapCut. Today we are going to use the web-based application for our particular video. So now let's go over to Chrome and let's start making our particular video. So before starting, I want to mention that today I'm going to create a video ad for Facebook. So now let's search for CapCut. Here you can see I'm already having the shortcut for CapCut. Let's click over here and it will just take some time to load and it will just take me to CapCut. So here you can see our particular interface of CapCut. This is the web-based interface. Here you can see all our different options. So I'm going to use a template today. For that, let's go over to the template option. Click over here and let's search for Facebook ad. Facebook ads and then search. So after searching, you can just have different Facebook templates. Here you can just take any one of this, but I am going to use a ad, so I'll be selecting a ad template. Here you can see lots of different templates are there. You can start from scratch also. If you take inspiration from this, then you can start from scratch. So I'm selecting this particular template. So let's click over this and here you can see the preview of our particular template. Now you can see it's playing now and we can add different type of photos, different type of videos over here. So now let's click over use this template. So it will just load and it will just take us to this particular page where we can just access our template. Before starting, I'll just give you a quick introduction of this interface. Here you can see our particular CapCut home page button. Here is the template option. Here is the stock videos. You can just take stock videos from CapCut. Then the next one is photos, audio. Then here you can just click over here and you can just see the survey or the terms and conditions of your particular CapCut account. And here is the shortcut buttons. Here is your particular file name. This is the move tool. This is the hand tool. This is the zoom in. You can just zoom in or zoom out your particular edit over here. This is the ratio. This is the undo, redo, export, help. All this button, this is your particular timeline, or you can just keep it as slides. Here is your layers, text layers, audio layers, background. So you can just work with this one. So now let's start creating our particular design over here. So now let's go over here and you can see different videos are here. Let's go to the photos. You can just have different photos. So here you can see I just uploaded some images. So we are going to use these particular images for our particular design or particular video. So let's select the first one. You can just replace. Let's select this photo and we are replacing this one. It will take some time to replace. Now let's select the second one and let's replace with some more photos. We'll just put it over here. We'll adjust this one. Now the next one, let's put this. And for the next one, let's use this particular photo. And then let's select this one. Let's put this over here. You can just rotate this let's click over here and try to rotate this one. The rotation is not working properly, so we'll keep like this, or we can just use another photo like this one. We'll just adjust our text in later part. And the last one, let's use this. Now you can see our particular photos are ready. Now rotating like this. Decrease the size. Put it in center. Select our particular text. And now let's go and put our brand name here, something like Rumana. From here also you can just change your particular text. Rumana. The next one is new collection, or we'll keep like this only. Trendy. Here you can see different other things are there. Let's change this one from shop now to order now. Order now. And then the next one we'll keep like this, and here we'll just change the name as Rumana. Now you can see our particular video is ready, and you can just adjust the text over here. Let's select the text. You can change the color of your particular text also if you want. The background also you can change background color as pink. Like that you can just change. And after that, let's play this once again from beginning. So like this, you can just create your own particular ad for Facebook, and you can just post it on Facebook, and you can get views, and you can have lots of benefits. So I hope you all understand till this part. Now let's go and export this. Click on export, and it will just show you different options. TikTok ad manager, then YouTube shorts, Facebook page, Instagram reels. You can just schedule them, where you can do many more things. Share for review also you can do. Share as a presentation. Let's click over download. We're going to download. We'll just write it as ads. Ads. You can just select this one. Resolution, quality, high quality, frame rate, 60 will make. Format also you can just change. It's like the desktop based application, but little bit different. So let's click. It will just take some time, and afterwards it will be downloaded. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.